The quickest way to start making passive income right away is by investing. And contrary to popular belief, it does not take a ton of money to do it. What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 ways to invest $1,000 so that you can start generating passive income in your sleep. The first way to start making passive income with $1,000 is to invest in US government bonds. Government bonds are loans that you make to the government in order to help them fund public projects like building hospitals and highways. What's awesome about government bonds is that they are very safe because they are backed by the credit of the US government. And the interest you earn from investing in government bonds is exempt from local and state taxes. You can buy US government bonds easily through the website treasurydirect.gov. All what you have to do once you get to the site is open up a Treasury Direct account and link your bank account to it, and then you can buy bonds from the government directly and start earning interest on your money. Once your bond reaches the maturity date, you will receive your original investment money back into your bank account. If you are interested in learning more about US government bonds, check out the video that I made recently about the topic. I will leave a link in the top right corner and in the description below. The second way to start investing for passive income with $1,000 is to buy an index fund. If you are a beginner at investing, owning an index fund is a safer way to collect dividends than owning individual stocks. I have been investing in index funds for years now, and there's nothing that I love more than seeing those dividend payments roll in. And what's cool about this is that I set it up so that my dividends get reinvested automatically rather than spending my dividends. Even though it's passive income, I keep it all in my brokerage account, and then I just use those dividends to buy more shares of the fund. This means that every month my dividend payments get bigger and bigger, though I'm not putting any additional money in because I'm accumulating more and more shares of my investments through dividend reinvestment. One example of a good index fund is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI. It currently pays out 2.14% annually in dividends. So, if you invest $1,000 in VTI, you can expect to get $21.40 every year. I know that it's not a life-changing amount of money, but it's still $21.40 that you did not lift a finger to earn. It's money that gets deposited to your account even if you sleep until noon every day. And you have to remember that when you invest in a good stock market index fund, you will also get a long-term capital appreciation. Long-term growth is the #1 reason I invest in index funds. And to me, the passive income, in other words, the dividends, is really just the cherry on top. The next passive income investment idea that I have for you is to invest in a REIT, or a real estate investment trust. When you buy a REIT, you become a shareholder of a company that owns income-producing real estate. A REIT is basically a stock in a company whose business is specifically owning and operating real estate. REITs are legally required to pay out 90% of their income to shareholders in the form of dividend. And because the value of real estate also tend to go up over time, owning a REIT can give you a nice combination of passive income and long-term capital appreciation. One example of a good REIT is the Vanguard Real Estate Fund VNQ. It currently pays out 4.25% annually in dividends. So if you invest $1,000 in VNQ, you can expect to get $42.50 every year. The final $1,000 passive income investment idea I have for you is to Airbnb your bedroom or your apartment. I have a friend who makes a lot of passive income doing this. She lives in a really nice big 2-bedroom apartment with a roommate in Portland, Oregon. They have a huge living room that neither of them use. So they hired a company to put up a temporary wall to turn that living room into an extra bedroom. The wall cost roughly about $800 to install, and they got some inexpensive used furniture from Goodwill for about $200. So, with about $1,000 investment, they had this cute little room up and running to advertise on Airbnb. They have a good location in Portland, so they are getting bookings all the time. They made their original $1,000 back in the first month, and since then, they have been generating close to $1,000 per month from that Airbnb. Now, running an Airbnb is not entirely passive, but once they got the system down, it only took an hour or so of their time per week. That's about as passive as it gets. That's it for my 4 passive income investment ideas that you can start with $1,000 or less. Let me know in the comment which of these you are going to try, or if you have any other ideas, I'd love to hear them as well. Please like this video and hit that subscribe button because I post new videos every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.